And
Sorry, Professor.
Sir,
yes,
sorry for interrupting. Sir, did you?
actually, the exponent first. What are exponents? What means exponent? Actually, exponent power, or you can say that, yes. So exponent power are indices, index. These are actually how many time a number multiply with itself. Like we have 2x square, 3x square, if we have, for example, 5 power 2. So 5 power 2 means that how many times 5 multiply with 2. This 5 is actually base, and 2 is called exponent, or we can say power. This means that how many times a number multiply with itself. For example, 2 power 5. This doesn't mean that 2 multiply with 5. 2 power 5 means that 2 multiply with 2 5 times. Yeah, 2 multiply with itself 5 times. 2 cross 2 cross 2 and cross 2. It means 5 times. So equal to what? 32. Same, 3 power 3 doesn't mean that 3 multiply with 3. 3 power 3 means 3 multiply with itself 3 times. It means that 3 cross 3 cross 3. This means 27. Same 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 means 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2. This one equal to, I think, 16. So exponents are in this, it means power, a number multiply with itself. How many times a number multiply with itself? Same, for example, we have order of operation. Uh, Order of operation, for example, if you are given a problem, a multi-step problem, so how we can solve? What will be the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one? And you know the rules. And rule is Boodma's rule. Actually, in mathematics, order of operation or operation, actually, we solve mathematical expression. For example, we have Boodma's. You know what is Boodma's formula? Any one of you, what is Boodma's? This is
Yes.
order of, yes, yes,
Sir, may I?
yes, yes, please.
Board mass, like bracket. First of all, we have to cut
Yes,
the bracket.
yes, excellent.
Then division,
Yes,
multiplication, addition, and subtraction.
yes, excellent, excellent. Yes, these are actually breakers. Then we have order of operation. For example, breakers, we have off. Off, same, this is like a multiplication. Then we have division, and we have multiplication. Then like this one, D means D,
Addition,
yeah, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So when we have,
subtraction.
yeah, subtraction. So when we have all in one expression, so first you need to simplify brackets, then you need to multiply. If we have off symbol, this is off. Yeah, this is actually off, also show indices. This of is actually for exponent. So if there is any exponent, so then you can simplify exponent. Okay, division, multiplication. Uh, there are three different type of brackets. Like first we need to solve this one. This is called what? This is parenthesis. Then we have braces like this one. So this is actually for first, you need to solve this one, second, and then we have
Second.
square brackets. These are square brackets. So these are in order, yeah, like this one. First simplify, parenthesis, second braces, third one is you need to solve square brackets. Okay, let's start and solve some question. Good mass means brackets. Then order, or we have off, or we have square root, or power, and this is division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, First, I want to solve some question on brackets. If there are some different type of brackets, so how we can simplify? For example, we have question uh, 78 minus, then this one is square brackets, 24 minus, then we have bases, 16 minus 5 minus 3, and we have parentheses, then braces, and then square brackets. So first one we need to solve parentheses. We need to simplify parentheses. So how we can simplify this one? So 78 minus square brackets 24, we have 16 minus. So 5 minus 3, we simplify this one. 5 minus 3 equal to what? 2. So this one finished. Now we have this second one, and also we have square brackets. Now second we need to solve this one. So we have 16 minus 2. So write down 78
14
minus, we have 24 minus
minus
16,
14.
yeah, 14, excellent, 14 and square brackets. Then you can simplify again third one. If we have square brackets, so
Yeah.
78 minus 24 minus 14 equal to what?
10.
10.
10.
Yes, 78 minus 10 equal to
68.
68.
16.
Yeah, 68 is the last answer. Yeah, simplified form of this expression. Next one, same if we have multiplication and brackets. So how we can solve? So first we have board mass. So first we need to solve bracket 52 minus 4 multiply with, we have 17 minus 12, so 17 minus 12 equal to 5 plus 4 multiply with 7. So after D we have O. O means half, or sorry, half means indices if there is any power, or if there is any radical. Radical means square root or any other things, but we don't have that one. Yes, so then we have division. We don't have division here. So next one we need to solve multiplication. So 52 minus 4 5
Minus
yeah,
20.
yeah, this one is 20 plus, then we have what?
28.
28.
28, correct?
The written last
Yeah.
28.
Yes, 28. So 52
There's the
minus 20 plus
16.
2. Then we have what?
32.
Then we have addition.
Mm-hmm.
So we have 52 and 28. So what is the addition of 52 with 28? Then at the end minus 20. So 52,
60.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
this one equal to what?
70.
70 or 80?
I
Yes,
guess
Yeah,
60.
this is 80 minus,
80, no.
then we have
Okay.
20. So yes, 60 is correct,
equal
but
to
last answer 6.
60 is the last answer. Yes.
60 is the last answer. So this is actually operation of uh, order operation. Same you can see here. The answer is 60. Solution also available. Next we have a little bit complicated question. So what we need to solve first one? Which one? We have Bood
small
mass.
bracket.
Yes, small brackets. We have Bood mass formula. So first one is B brackets. We have this one, small brackets. Second one, this one. We have third one here. We have this one also, fourth one, and this one is fifth one. So write down square brackets. Then, okay, next one. Then 4 plus 3 equal to what? 7. Plus 7 plus, then we
7
have 2
plus
plus
3
3
minus
minus what we have here.
5.
Actually this one is not here. So we have 25 minus 20 equal to minus 5. Yes, minus 5. And then we have close this one plus. Now again next this start. We have 2 multiply with 7. 2 multiply with 7 equal to 14 minus.
14.
Then we need to solve this one. 3 multiplied with 10 equal to 30. This one also close, and we have at the end 2 multiplied with 5. 2 multiplied with 5 equal to 10. Yes. So next we need to finish this one. We need to simplify this one. Okay. So how we can? So let's
7
yeah,
plus
7 plus
3,
3
10,
minus
10
5.
multiplied by 5.
So first we need addition. 7
Mhm.
plus 3 equal to what? 10. 10 minus
10,
5 equal to what?
5.
We have 5. Okay, then we have plus 5. Then we have plus. Okay, 14 minus 30. 14 minus 30 equal to what?
minus 16.
Minus 16. And outside we have 10. Now we have plus minus. This bracket is only to differentiate, to for example to separate plus and minus. So we have 5 plus with minus equal to what? Minus. And we have 16 multiply with 10. 5 minus
Minus
16
11.
minus
Minus
11
11.
multiply with 10
10.
equal to what?
120.
Minus
110.
minus 110 is the last
Last.
answer. Yes, great, excellent, excellent. Same. Next example, we also have now addition, multiplication, and division as well with bracket. So again, we have Bode's formula. So step by step, we have first one brackets. So we need to simplify bracket. 21 divided by 3 plus 3 multiply with 9 equal to what?
27.
27 multiply with 9
9
plus
plus
5. Then
14.
yeah, then we have what? Then we have division. So we need to simplify division. So we have only one division here. 21 divided by 3. So 21 divided by 3. You know that equal to 7. Yeah,
Yes,
7.
7.
7. So 21 divided by 7 plus we have 27 multiply with 9 plus 5. Next we have multiplication. So 7 plus multiplication 27 multiply with 9 and 27 multiply 9 equal to
243, I guess.
excellent, excellent, excellent 243. 243 plus 5. Now
5.
we have only addition, all three are addition, so we can add. If we add 7 with this one equal to 250 and 5 equal to what? 255.
5.
Yes, 255 is the last answer. This one solution we have. Okay, now this one. This now we have addition, multiplication, subtraction, division all in one bracket. So again we have same, we need to simplify bracket first, but inside the bracket again we have addition, multiplication. So same we will apply the Bode's formula. We have although b first, but inside the b we need to solve Bode's. So we need first simplify division, then multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So write down first one. First one is 36 minus. We have 2. Now we have 20 plus 12 divided by 4 multiply 3 minus 2 multiply. So we need to simplify division. And 12 divided by 4, 12,
G.
yeah, 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. Multiply with 3
3.
minus 2 multiply with 2 plus
10.
10. Next, we need to simplify multiplication. So we have 2 multiplication, 36 minus 2. So we have 20,
Sir?
20 plus 9
3 plus 3, 9, minus
minus
2 plus 2, 4 plus 10. Again we have addition, 36 minus 2, 20 plus 9 equal to 29 minus 4 and
25.
plus 10. Yes.
10.
So 36 minus 2 multiply with 25.
25
Excellent.
plus
Then
10.
we have 10. Excellent. So 36.
36
Next we
minus
need what? We need to multiply this.
with 5.
Yes. So
50
minus 50 plus
plus 10.
10. Now last one, addition and subtraction. So first we need addition. 36 is positive, 10 is positive. So
Yeah.
36 plus 10 minus 5 minus 50. So 36 plus 10 equal to 46. And then we have 50. So 46 minus 50 equal to
Minus 4.
4. Minus 4. So minus 4 is the last answer for this question. Okay. Yes, we have minus 4 here.
Sir?
Madam? Yes,
Sir, I have a question.
yes. Uh,
Thank you.
Next we have inequalities. What are inequalities? One inequality, what show inequality? Actually, uh, you know that equality show when both sides are same, like 2 equal to 2, both sides are equal. But inequality means this is just a relationship. In what type of relation? You can say non-equal relation, that non-equal comparison, which one is greater than, which one is less than. For example, if I write down uh, 4 is greater than 3, so this is comparison of two numbers, and this is actually non-equal comparison. We can say that 4 is greater than 3. Or we use less symbol, like if we have symbol like this one, this symbol, so this side actually show greater symbol. This is greater. Anything, for example, on this side will be greater than. Anything on this side will be less. For example, less than. So if I write 4 greater than 3, so this is actually greater than 3. This is non-equal comparison. Now we have a relation means that when two non-equal things are, so then we can compare which one is less than, which one is more. Actually this is like a mathematical statement. There are three different mathematical statements. uh, One is equal statement, like unequal statement, yeah, true statement, false statement, and then we have what? Then we have equation. For example, in mathematics we use three statements. Yeah, you can say sentences, three sentences, mathematical sentences. Sentence, or you can say statement. There are three: true, false, and open. True, false, and we have open. Like for example, if I write true, true means 10 is greater than 5. This is relationship, non-equal relationship. 10 is greater than 5. So this is actually true relation. If I write 5 is greater than 10, so this one is called what? This one is called false, because 5 is not greater than 10. Then third one is actually open. Open is that sentence, yeah, that statement for which we don't know that is open, sorry, that is true or false. Like if I write a number, yeah, x is greater than 5. So x is greater than 5. Now we don't know what is x. This statement is called what? This statement is called open statement. Unless and until we know the value of x, then we can say that which one is it, uh, true or false. But if we don't know the value of x, we can't say that. So then we can say this is open sentence. Open means we don't know, that is false or true statement. So inequality, you can say a statement of an order relationship, or actually a relation of non-equal comparison is called inequalities. So this show that, for example, two quantities are equal, or two quantities are not equal, or two quantities, for example, have different type of comparison. So let's discuss these four symbols. One is less symbol, greater symbol. This one is less or equal, and next one is greater or equal. Four different statements. Yes, four different symbol and statement. For example, how we can write? So we can say that first one, that let's suppose in word there are at least 15 people in the waiting room. So at least, less and greater, these are easy. For example, you can say that maths, for example, 98 section A students are greater than maths 98 section B. So we use greater symbol, and we have less symbol when less than. Now equal to and less than, yeah, equal to or greater than. So how we can present these are actually, when you say at least, so at least means number is greater than or equal to. There are at least 15 people in waiting room. So at least, when you see at least, this means that actually this one is greater than or equal to. So at least 15 people in the waiting room. This means that people, number of people, actually number of people is greater than or equal to 15. Both condition possible. Either greater or equal. Both are. Next one, the train attendance will allow no more than 60 people on train. Okay, no more. When you see no more, so no more means this is actually less than or equal to. So number of people less than or equal to 60. At least and no more. Okay, you need to remember these. When there is at least, this means that greater than or equal to. When there is no more word, so no more word is you need, this is less than or equal to. You know about greater and less, greater number and less number. There are some order of operation of equality. What are these and how you can, for example, add number with inequality, subtract number with inequality, multiply number and divide number. Let's suppose first one, if we have addition, like if I write 10 is greater than 2. So if I write like this one, 10 with a number, with any number, this will also be greater than this one. If you add same number on both sides, 10 plus 5, 2 plus 5. So again, result is 15 is greater than 7. This statement is correct. So addition possible. Yeah, in addition, the symbol remains same. Same in multiplication, sorry, in subtraction. If 10 is greater than 2, and you subtract a number, any number, like if you subtract any number, so result will be same. This symbol will be same, 2 minus. For example, I want to subtract 3 on both sides. So again, result is 10 minus 3, 7. And 7 is greater than what? 2 minus 3 equal to 1. This is for subtraction. Next, we have multiplication. So for multiplication, if one number like 5 is greater than 2. So if you do multiply both number, both side with a positive number, so the symbol will remain same. If you multiply with 4 on both sides, so 4 multiply with 5 equal to 20, and 20 is greater than 2 multiply with 4, 8. So result is same, no need of changing the symbol. But if you multiply any number on inequality with negative number, so then symbol will change. Like same example, 5 is greater than 2. So if you multiply both sides with a non-positive number like negative number, like any number negative, then symbol will change. This 2 multiply with any negative number. Like if you multiply this with 5 minus 5, so 5 multiply with minus 5 equal to minus 25. 2 multiply with minus 5 equal to minus 10. So first we have symbol 5 is greater than 2. Now this symbol will change because 25 is not greater than minus 2. Now minus 10 is greater than minus 25. So remember, when in inequality, when you multiply a number like negative number, so then the symbol will change. Same with division. In division, if you multiply, if you divide inequality by positive numbers, the symbol will not change. But if you divide by negative numbers, so the symbol will change. Like if we have a means any number, a is greater than b, and if you divide both side by c, where c is actually a positive number, so this will remain same. Like if you divide by c, if you divide by c, so result will be same, a over c greater than b over c. But if you divide a is greater than b, and you divide both side by another number c, and c is actually a negative number, so then symbol will change, a divided by minus c and b divided by minus c. So symbol will change. Like what? If we have 10 greater than 5, and if you divide both sides by minus 2, so minus 2, this one is minus 2. So this will cancel. We have minus 5, and this will cancel with also with this one minus 2.5. Now you can see minus 2.5, this is actually greater than minus 5. So symbol will change. These are actually operation of inequalities. We have operation on inequalities. We will solve example of inequalities. But let me first introduce the variables, because I cannot solve equation 2x plus 1 greater than 5. We need to find the x value. But first let me introduce exponents. Sorry, first let me introduce the variables. So then we will solve question on inequalities. We will solve inequalities equations, inequalities expression. We will simplify all these. But for now, just these number 2 is greater than 5, 6 is greater than 5, 10. So multiply with positive number, negative number, or divide by positive number, divide by negative number. Okay. Next, what we have this. You need to simplify, so we can cover both the order of operation and inequality. So first simplify both sides of each inequality, then tell, for example, whether this statement is true or false. These are statements. So let's discuss. We have 3 greater than or equal to 2 multiply with 5 plus 1 minus 3, 1 plus 1 divided by 5, 8 minus 6 minus 4 multiply with 2. So you can simplify in two ways. First way, if you multiply this side with 3 and then simplify. Second one, you need to simplify this one, you need to simplify this one, then divide both sides and compare with 3. Both are possible. So I will solve both. For example, first one, we have 3 greater than or equal to, we have this operation, 2 multiply with 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 actually 6, minus, we have 3, and then 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to, sorry, 1 plus 1 is 2. This is not actually bracket, this is just for isolating, for example, 6 from 2. This is just, So divided by what? Divided by 5, and then we have 8 minus 6. So 8 minus 6 is actually 2. Minus 4 multiplied with 2. So 4 multiplied with 2 equal to what? 8. Now we have 3 greater than or equal to 2 6 the 12. Here minus 3 2 the 6 divided by 5 2 the 10 minus 8. Now we have 3 greater than or equal to 12 minus 6. So 12 minus 6 is actually 6 divided by 10 minus 8. So 10 minus 8 equal to what? 10 minus 8 equal to 2. Now we have 3 greater than or equal to what? 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. So this statement is correct. Why? 3 is greater than or equal to. So both condition. Now this one is equal to. So 3 equal to what? 3. This means that this statement is correct. This was first method. Second method is multiply this side with 3. Like we have 3 multiply with 5, then 8 minus 6 minus 4 multiply with 2 greater than or equal to 2 into 5 plus 1 minus 3 into 1 plus 1. So now you can compare both sides. So first of all, bracket 3 multiply with 5